All right, let's look at the homework 5.2, problem number 4. All right, so let's evaluate this indefinite integral using substitution. All right, so in this case, I'm going to use this expression inside the square root as u. All right, so we're going to say let u be x squared minus 12x plus 2, right? As usual, we're going to have to take the derivative. So I'm going to say take the derivative. So du over dx is equal to, right, derivative of x squared would be 2x. And the derivative of negative 12x would be negative 12. And derivative of 2 is 0, right? But the 2 and 12 are both even numbers, so we can pull out 2, and we can write it as 2 times quantity x minus 6. All right, then next step would be we're going to take the reciprocal of both sides, so that we're going to write dx over du, which is equal to 1 over 2 times x minus 6, right? Then one last step would be multiply both sides by du, so that dx is equal to du on top, and then you have a 2 times x minus 6, all right? So we got that. All right, so we're going to use that to rewrite it. Since I don't have enough room here, so I'm going to go down here. So I'm going to, let's say, go down, and we're going to say is equal to. All right, so let's rewrite the integral. So we still have to have an integral sign. All right, the numerator, I'm going to actually keep x minus 6 as it is, but the denominator, I'm going to have square root of u. Remember that the entire expression inside the square root is going to be called du now. All right, then dx is equivalent to, we just found out, du over 2 times quantity x minus 6. All right, so you can see that there's x plus, minus 6 right here. And also there's x minus 6 up here, right? So let's cancel those. So we can cancel x minus 6 on top, and then we have x minus 6 on the bottom too, right? So we cancel those, right? Let's do a little bit of cleanup there. All right, so first I have this 2 on the bottom, right? So I can just pull out 1/2. So we're going to have 1/2 in front. And then we still have an integral, right? 1 over square root of u would be equivalent to u to the, all right, since u is sitting on the bottom, it's going to be a negative power. Then square root is equivalent to 1/2 power. So it's going to be u to the negative 1/2 power, and then we still have du, right? All right, so this is a simple parallel, right? So we still have 1 over 2, all right? Antiderivative of u to the negative 1/2 power would be u to the, we're going to add 1 power, add 1 to the power, so it's going to be positive 1/2. And then divided by 1/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2. So we're going to have multiply by 2. All right, so all right, now again, we're going to have 2 on top and then 2 on the bottom there. So we're going to cancel this guy, and we're going to cancel that guy as well. All right. Then we have, of course, I forgot the plus some constancy, right? So if you clean it up, you're going to have simply square root of u plus some constancy, right? Then, last step would be we can put the original expression back in, right? So we're going to have square root, right? But originally u was x squared minus 12x plus 2. And then you have some plus some constant c. All right, so this is the answer. Maybe I should box it in. So if I box it in, all right, so we got that. All right, let's type it in. All right, so answer we got was the square root of x squared minus 12x plus 2 plus some constant c. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.